Welcome again to Budget with Brian. We're well known for talking the humble tool in the workshop. We're going to be even humbler today, and we're going to be talking about pencil sharpening, which may not seem the most interesting thing in the world, but we're going to show you a new product in a moment. But let's review the existing techniques. Of course, there's the humble school pencil sharpener. And the good thing about that is you can put it in your pocket. You can buy hundreds of them, dot them around, so you've always got a pencil sharpener going. Back in my workshop, I've got the electric version, and we've shown that on Budget with Brian before. Don't forget, review it and have a look for yourself. But here's the new one. This is available from Amazon for about £5 or £6. It comes with 15 pencils. They come as standard like that, and then inside you get one of these. And what you do is you stick that in your drill, and then you take your pencil and lo and behold, you've sharpened your pencil. It's marked C H Hanson. We believe it's a Colt tool in America. It comes with 15 pencils, short point pencils, and I suppose the short point is the point that you get by using the tool. It comes with the tool, all complete in this neat box. Just to talk for a moment about the sharpener itself, it is plastic, but our tests on it show it to be extremely tough plastic, and I think you'd have trouble in breaking it. It has the detent at the back, so it could actually fit into a impact driver chuck as well. The level of sales in the States indicate that breakages aren't a problem. So I think the fact that it is plastic shouldn't be of great concern. But wouldn't it be great if there was a similar version with a steel shaft, steel or aluminium, or a different kind of shaft? Thought you'd like that. And, you know, if you do like it, let's have a comment or two, you know, down below. Don't forget, we're on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And you've got a link to Amazon below if you are convinced that you would like to have one of these natty devices, or have one given for your birthday, or another gift for your workshop. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, subscribe. We've got more than 1,000 now. You don't want to be left out.